Hello, I wan welcome una to another edition of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. Last week we talk about tenancy, landlord and ten ant matter. Today we go still dey talk about landlord and ten ant. You know say anything wey concern landlord and ten ant is a bit totori people well well. Even me as I dey as a village sweet me. Today we go talk about the duty of a landlord and the duty of a ten ant. In other words, this duty now we still dey talk about na the responsibility of ten ant and landlord we go chook mouth put today. Make we start with the responsibilities or duties of a landlord. The number one duty of a landlord to im ten ant be say na the one wey we dey call quiet or peaceful enjoyment of the property or premises. Wetin dis one mean be say landlord suppose assure ten ant say as you dey park enter dis my house, nobody go disturb you, nothing go disturb you for the house, you go live for the house peacefully. Na the duty wey landlord owe ten ant be that. No be the one wey I dey hear say some landlord dem go there, you go just dey small thing, you go knock for your ten ant, you give me pepper, do this one, you no do that one, you no do this one, dey disturb the ten ant unnecessarily. E dey very very wrong. It is wrong, it is a civil wrong, e dey wrong. No do am. Make your ten ant get peace, make your ten ant dey enjoy the property wey im don pay you money for. Another duty of landlord na to put the property or the house in a situation wey be say im go dey okay for human being to live inside. You know say e get some houses wey be say if you see the house sef, even rat no go gree live for there. No be so house suppose be. As a landlord, na your duty to put your house in order to make sure say human being go fit live for the house, and if human being dey live for the house, the life of that human being no go dey threa ten ed. E get different ways wey dem dey use do this one. Like if you wan rent house now, the house no dey to your taste, e no dey okay, you fit arrange with the landlord, do am, put am to your taste. Or if the house no dey okay, you wan rent am, landlord go tell you say okay, pay me money. When you pay me the money, I go use the money put the house in order the way e suppose be. E still dey okay. Another duty wey landlord owe ten ant be say duty of not to derogate from the grant. Wetin dis one mean be say if you rent house give somebody for a particular purpose, say this house you go use am do, you go live inside, or you go use am do business, landlord no get any right to come tell the ten ant say this house wey been say wey I give you to use sell sugar, you no go use am sell sugar again, you go use am sell maggi. You understand? Landlord no get right to do that one. Another duty of a landlord na to pay government or ground rent or any money wey government say make owner of property dey pay. Landlord no suppose put am for ten ant head. Na the duty of that landlord to pay that particular money, that ground rent. If government say make everybody wey get house dey pay to the state government or local government 5,000 every year or every month, na landlord duty to pay that money, no be duty of ten ant. Then make we enter duty of ten ant to the landlord or to the tenancy agreement or tenancy contract. You know say as landlord owe ten ant duty, na so ten ant too owe landlord duty. Na so e dey be. One of the duty of a landlord for tenancy matter na to pay rent. In fact, na your number one duty be that. Na your ogbonge duty be that, wey be say if you no pay am, kasala go burst. Na im be the duty of a ten ant to pay rent. Na your number one duty as a ten ant, pay your rent. Another duty of a ten ant na to make sure say no commit wetin dem dey call waste. In other words, wetin dis one dey talk be say as a ten ant, no destroy the house wey you dey live inside. No waste the property, no do the property anyhow because e no be your property. If you do that one, e don dey comot don dey comot from wetin e suppose do according to law. Another duty of a ten ant na to make sure say you no sublet house without the consent or the knowledge of the landlord. No do am. So many ten ants sabi do dis thing, and if you be person wey dey find house, a ten ant say wan rent house give you, e no consult the landlord, landlord no rent such house. If you do am, you go enter problem. One of the duties of the ten ant na to make sure say e no sublet that house without the consent of the landlord. No do am, e dey against the law. Another duty of the ten ant na to make sure say you keep your surroundings clean. Na your duty. As a ten ant, no be your landlord go leave you where im dey stay, or even though the landlord dey stay for the same compound with you, no be the landlord go come dey clean the compound wey you dey stay. No be so. Another duty of ten ant na to make sure say you dey pay your bills, your rates dem, all this electricity. No be landlord go pay electricity bill, the one wey dey alias NEPA bill for you. No be landlord go pay security money for you. No be landlord, all those small small money dem dey pay for street, dem dey pay for compound, no be landlord go pay am for you. Na your duty to pay those money. Another duty of ten ant wey most ten ants dem no know na if something spoil for inside the house wey you dey stay, na your duty to repair that thing. For example, your sink spoil, you no go call your landlord to come repair your sink for you, because when you take that house, the sink bin dey work, na you dey use am, you spoil am or im spoil on im own. Na your duty to repair all those inside things, all those things wey dey spoil inside house. Na your duty to repair those things. Another duty wey you get as a ten ant na not be say make you no use the house wey dem rent give you for illegal activities. Wetin dis one mean be say person rent house give you, carry am dey do yahoo. Person rent house give you, carry am dey harbor criminals. You carry am dey sell all those things dem wey dey make people dey misbehave. You begin dey sell am, or you carry am dey sell AK. No do am, e dey against the law. No do am, no do am. If dem give you house for a particular purpose, use that house for wetin make dem give you the house. Thank you.